everyone, Arjavar, and in this video I'm going to unbox the MGC Square-1. So let's get into it. Oh yes. Okay, there it is. This white phone. Oh, great. Oop, blue stand. Okay, and here is our Square-1. Yep, a bill, I guess. Yep, it's a bill. Looked with care. Yep, loot service. Cube care. It shows how we can take care of a cube. Okay, so this is the box like the MGC cubes. It's pretty big in my opinion, or it must be that I've got a 2x2 MGC Elite, so it must be that it's a Square-1, so it's bigger. So let's unbox it. Yes, and yep, this is removable. There you go. There's the Square-1 and MGC Square-1. I love the MGC logo, to be honest. Rattling. Oh, yeah. That's the extra pieces. So let's check out the accessories. Here we have, here we have a screwdriver and few extra pieces to replace them with the white ones or black ones. Okay, so let's open the Square-1. Wow, this cube, oh man, that's really great. Okay, so, oh man, this feels so great. Okay, honestly, the shades, I prefer these kinds of shades more. Bright kind of shades. Yep, so first turns. Okay, that's butter smooth. Wow, just wow. Okay, kind of bit unstable, but yeah, it's really smooth. Must be because it's just loop service and it will get stable. So yeah, corner cutting. Oh yeah, it's a Square-1. How did I forget? Okay, these two layers are really smooth compared to the Little Magic. They're pretty hard to turn, but these ones are really soft. So when you compare the size, it's kind of same, but you'll see a minute difference over here. So this one's a little bit smaller. Pretty good for me. And as I told you guys, U and D layers, total difference. This one is way too smooth, very smooth. But this one is kind of a bit hard to turn. And the shades, compared to this one, I like these shades more because they are just brighter. And it's like frosted plastic. This one doesn't feel that frosted. When I pick up the cubes in my hands, I slightly notice that the MGC is heavier than the Little Magic because it's 94 grams and this one is 84 grams. That's a 10-gram difference. And It's not noisy, but the slice moves, they're a little bit noisy compared to this one. Overall, I like the MGC more than the this one, the Yuxin Little Magic, because it's smoother, better shades, and yeah, it's the first Square-1 with replace. The past you can replace. So I think I'll be replacing them in some time, about when I get used to this cube, about a month or something. So yeah. So let me do some solves on this new cube. So here I have scrambled this cube, and I normally average sub 1 minute on Square-1. So let's see what I get. There you go. That's a great solve. I like this solve. 3903. And yeah, so I actually love this cube, and it's definitely my new main. It's smooth. So let's summarize. I like these shades because these shades are bright, and in the accessory box you get black pieces to replace with these pieces or these pieces. And compared to the Yuxin Little Magic M, the U and D layers are really smooth and fast compared to these ones, because these take a lot of pressure. This cube is really speedy, so if the reason for its swiftness is not the loop, then I'll probably put a little bit of weight, 5 or 3, and it will be really good for me now then. Overall, this cube is my new main instead of the Yuxin Little Magic M. I do like it a lot. Friends, I will be back with more unboxing and cube related videos. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.